Pusinavine, long, straight, tender fruits, early maturing variety, ideal for home gardens. High yield and good disease resistance. Nayana F1 Hybrid. Uniform, attractive bottle-shaped fruits, early harvesting within 50 to 55 days, resistant to common pests, excellent for commercial and home growers. Hybrid Varsha, long, light green fruits, very high-yielding hybrid, great for terrace gardening, soft, tasty flesh. Co-1 bottle gourd, developed for South Indian conditions, dark green, smooth, cylindrical fruits, good for continuous harvesting, heat, tolerant and hardy. Lemon drop, Capsicum bacatum lemon drop, unique citrusy flavor along with decent heat. The plant is relatively compact and can do well in a container. Bright yellow fruit adds visual interest, and you can harvest green or ripe. Numex Twilight, ornamental/edible, very decorative. Peppers change colors, purple, yellow, orange, red. Compact and well suited to container/balcony gardening. Produces a steady harvest and looks great. Good for both beauty and function. Cayenne, Fiesta or similar compact cayenne, spicy, long, thin peppers that are great for drying, powdering, or fresh use. Some compact/patio versions exist, making them suitable for small spaces. High yield potential in a pot. Jalapeno, Capsicum annuum jalapeno, moderately spicy, not super hot, very versatile in cooking. There are patio or dwarf jalapeno varieties better suited for container growth. Good yield, and manageable plant height for a pot. Thai bird's eye/Thai chili, very compact plant, which makes it ideal for containers. Produces small, very hot, slender peppers, great for cooking and adding heat. Because of its size and prolific fruiting, 1 or 2 plants can supply a lot of chilies. Purple striped, variegated, brinjal, purple fruits with white streaks, very tender flesh, excellent for fry and bhaji, high yielding in all seasons. White eggplant, egg-shaped white fruits, low bitterness, attractive ornamental look, good disease resistance. Black Beauty, American variety, dark, glossy large fruits, soft, creamy texture, great for roasting and grilling, heat tolerant. Green round brinjal, popular in South India, sweet, mild flavor, perfect for sambar and curries, grows well in pots. Purple long brinjal, slender, long fruits, fast growing, ideal for daily cooking, high yield and fewer seeds.